Hi guys, it's Serafina Lovelace here, and I'm going to make a YouTube video about Asian makeup. Basically how I do my style of Asian makeup. It's kind of a mix of Japanese and Korean, and also some touch of Western, because that's how I first learned how to do my makeup, Western style. So, disclaimer. There are some original products here that I use, some local brands, and some foreign makeup brands that are knockoffs or fakes. So it's advisable that you don't use the kind of makeup that I use, not unless you already have those. And if you don't have those, at least an equivalent of it. Not every style of makeup is compatible for each face because you have your own technique. So this is just a guide on how to do Asian makeup on this kind of face. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's start off with a primer from Features and Shades, a local brand from the Philippines. I'm going to apply that amount to my face like so and rub it all over. And then I'm going to take my MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation, fix my color for a bit, take off the cap, and then put on a small amount on my face. Actually, it's not that small. And then take a kabuki brush to apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to use my Everbelena Cosmetics Powder Foundation with UVB and UVA protection in Oriental Beige color. Actually, I've used the product for quite a bit and dropped it a few times, thus the reason why it looks weird like that. Also, you may notice that I use quite an amount of powder foundation when it comes to using it, because I'm trying to cover as much blemishes as possible without having to use much liquid foundation. Moving on to eye makeup, we have Eyeshadow by Everbelena Advance in Sunset Cafe. We have 5 neutral shades there, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush and apply that shade all over my lid, like so. So moving on to the next shade, we're going to apply that onto the outer area and the upper lid of your eye, like so. Then we take the darker brown shade and apply it to the outer V and also blend it out. So kind of looks light like that. Moving on to the brows, I have an ordinary brown eyebrow pomade that I apply like so. The brand is KKW, but that one's a fake. I don't know if they really have pomades, but yeah. So I actually forgot to draw my fake eye bags. What they call it in Korea is, I don't know, I forgot, but that's what it is. And it's one of the current trends in Korean makeup today, so I found it cute and I decided to use it on my style, like this one. Moving on, we use a cream eyeliner, same brand, KKW. I don't know if they have an original, but I use cream eyeliner for my eyeliner, like so. So that's how it looks so far. So I noticed my nose is sweaty, so I touched it up. Since I'm already done with my eye makeup, I'm going to go ahead and curl it and also apply mascara. The mascara I used here is from Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. So with my eye makeup done, that's how it looks so far. And I'm going to go ahead and put my falsies on. The brand is Taiwan Lashes. The eyelash glue I use here in this video is from the Face Shop. So moving on to contour, we have a contour palette by Nichido, and I hid it with my hands because it was quite embarrassing to look at. With its current state, only one palette is left, so I had to end up using the light brown eyeshadow for the bronzer. So I'm going to apply the bronzer / brown eyeshadow as follows. on my jawline, on my forehead, just the corners of my forehead, and around the contour area. Then I move on to the blush. It's also by Everbelena. It's called Tangerine. And I apply it like so. My face is getting wet there because of the heat from the sun outside, but no worries, we're about to be done. So now moving on to the lips, we have EB Liquid Lipstick and BYS Velvet Lips in the shade Private Beach and Rosewood respectively. So this is how my makeup usually looks whenever I go to a shoot, and it's usually ideal for daytime use. I contour my nose usually, but I didn't do it this time because I'm going for a more natural look. So I hope you liked what I did, and hopefully you pick up some techniques that are useful to you and apply them to your own. So I'll see you next time. Bye!